Today I received a package in the mail because I won the 400 subscriber giveaway from the channel Milbergs Kochzeit, which is a very good cooking show and you should check it out. So I grabbed my very sharp Soling knife and I'm going to open it because I thought it would be fun to do an unboxing video like all the big YouTubers do, and now let's unbox. So, the box is open and I will pull it out. It is a barbecue spice and I'm very happy about it. Thank you very much. And I'm going to open it. Oh, it looks like a little chef hat. It has some more tape here. Ah, and it's wrapped one more time in wrapping paper after I pulled off the chef hat. So now I'm going to unwrap it. And then, once again, it is wrapped with plastic. So there's one more layer to remove before I can smell it. And it says barbecue beef spice rub for rump steak, ribeye, altes Gewürzamt. It smells delicious. It's a little bit almost like a Christmas scent, and I think it is because of the piment which is in it. I don't know, is piment the right translation? I don't think so. And it has, what has it? Oh, and it has cloves, so that's the Christmassy scent. Although it's a barbecue rub, so some people do barbecues in the winter time, which is very nice, and I want to use it also in the indoors kitchen. But normally barbecue is in the summer, so, but the cloves is, it smells a little, it reminds me of Christmas with the cloves, but the rest, and I hope, I will show it to you if you haven't seen this video. It looks a little bit like this. It is. Can you see it? Does the camera show it well? I don't know, I can't see if the camera shows it. So thank you very much once again, Sebastian. I hope that my video will work out. It is my very first unboxing and I don't know if I stayed focused on the camera all the time, if I look somewhere in the, I don't know where, so I will take a picture of my video setting here so you can see that it's a little bit improvised. And you can do unboxing only once because if you have unboxed it, it is unboxed. But I hope you enjoy it. I will cook with it. We will see if this will be a video of me cooking with it, but thank you very much. I'm very happy and it arrived safely, as you can see. So, bye! I already stopped filming and I was showing the spice to my mother and I was all excited, and then I looked into the package once again and I saw that there was a letter that I hadn't seen before, and it says congratulations to me, and it's such a sweet letter and I'm very happy about it.